tradition, there's that air that is produced, and that's why the gas. That's why even if happen.
That's very good light on that one moving.
The African salute.
That's the African way.
Here we are. This is the mother elephant, the matriarch, we think, of the bunch. Junior's following her. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right in this group.
Yeah, that's for sure.
In search of the elusive cheetah.
They have a red flag.
Hi, Susie.
Well, here, use this.
Making a video. Wow, we are so close to these guys. Looks like 3 females and 3 babies. We almost saw a lion make a kill. Oh my God. Right next to our Jeep. Oh no, he's gonna stop that one. He's got one stop. There goes the lion. He's stalking the impala. Here he comes. He does not like us one bit. He's going past to us. He won't. This is a big boy.
can actually make about 60 bows. So I should try and impress the female.
Really?
That one's growing.
The dung beetle.
Dung beetle, yes.
Victoria Falls, the main falls, swinging down the canyon to the Devil's Cataract. Okay, this is the whole panorama of Victoria Falls. If you look in the distance, you can see some people swimming at the top of the falls. Rather crazy. Panning down to the main falls. Possibly through the mist you can see the top of the Devil's Cataract Falls.